Hello students, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to start a new chapter in mathematics for 10th, and with them after completing all the questions which are given in the textbook, and after that we are going through many previous years exam questions, also important questions which are very mostly important for the exam point of view. So now today we are starting beginning of we are shortly trigonometrical. Introduction to trigonometry. The chapter name is Introduction to Trigonometry. It is a chapter number is 8. Okay, chapter number is 8 here. So Introduction to Trigonometry. So let me fill some ink. Okay, Introduction to Trigonometry. Introduction to Trigonometry. Introduction to Trigonometry. As we are completed that arithmetic progression in detail and completely without breaking in between them. Introduction to trigonometry. Trigonometry. Same way, this trigonometry also will complete it. Okay, without breaking. It may take 2-3 days. I'll continue it. Okay. So whichever you are having feeling the difficult in understanding the mathematics, that is, and you can comment me. I will try to answer them. Okay. Don't worry, mathematics is a very interesting, and in that mathematics this trigonometry is a very important, because in future if you go to science stream and after that engineering stream, you are studying in so many levels. So introduction to trigonometry, in that topic, first of all, the trigonometric word is consist of three words, that is tree, three words, that is tree means what? Three. Gono means here angle. Okay, angles. And metry means what? Here measurement. Metry means measure. So here in the whole chapter we are studying only the trigonometrical parts relations, side, angle, like that. Okay, side, angle, like that. So to study that one, here some some tricks are there. What is terms are there? What is the terms? So first term is trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. So this is the basic concept or basic trick we need to know. Most important for the, we can say it is a basic of the trigonometry. It is a basic of the trigonometry. And here in trigonometry we are using one a particular types of the particular type of the triangle, that is a right angle triangle. Which one? Right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, you no need to say it, because you know already you have studied about the triangle. Right angle triangle means what? Here one of the angle is 90 degree. One of the angle is 90 degree. So this is a 90 degree sign. It is 90 degree. It is 90 degree. I am drawing two, because these two angles are the optional. You can choose this angle or this angle, either this angle or this angle, anyone, depending on the choice of these two, any one angle. So these names are interchangeable, sides, these sides. Okay, so put it in your mind that always the side which is opposite to the 90 degree, it is called hypotenuse. Okay, always. Okay, it is fixed. I am taking two triangles. Okay, here 90 degree B at B, and this is A, and this is B. No, sorry, C. Okay, C. here these two also optional. See, I am taking here this angle, a angle first as a theta. Okay, a angle as a theta. So if you select this angle, so opposite side is called, this is called perpendicular or opposite. Perpendicular or opposite. Okay, perpendicular or opposite. Perpendicular or opposite. And this is called adjacent or base. Adjacent or base. And always this side is called hypotenuse. 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 Okay, denoted by H. And this is denoted by P, and this is denoted by B. Okay, denoted by B. This is H. Okay, and if you select this is a theta, this is called perpendicular, P, and this is base, B, and this is hypotenuse, H. Okay, so in trigonometrical ratio, it means what? It gives the relations between the angle and the ratios of the sides of the triangle. And it is a trigonometrical ratio. We can define it as it is a relationship between the angle and sides of the triangle. Okay, it means, okay. So there are six trigonometrical ratios right here. There are six trigonometrical ratios are there. There are six trigonometrical ratio. Trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratios. Shortly, it is termed as a T ratios. T ratios. First one is it is sine theta. Sine theta, shortly it is writing as a sin sine theta. Okay, called as it is reading as a sine theta only. Okay, sine theta only. Sine theta only. And the sine theta relation with the side is like this. Sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse, in symbol I am writing here. Okay, opposite denoted by P and hypotenuse denoted by H and adjacent denoted by B. Here also same, opposite P, adjacent side base B, hypotenuse H. Remember it. I am writing because if you write in complete in word means it takes more time, and video also increases, video duration also increases. So that's why I am writing in symbolic form. Second one, cosine theta equal to, shortly we are writing as a cos theta. Cosine theta, shortly we are writing as a cos theta. Cos theta. Second one, cosine theta, short form is a cos theta. It is base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. And third one is tangent theta. Tangent theta. Shortly we are writing it as a tan theta equal to, tan theta is what? Tan theta is opposite by base. Opposite by base or perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. Okay, perpendicular P, base is B. So these are the these are the three trigonometrical ratios, and remaining three are the ratio, inverse of these three. Inverse of these three. So inverse of sine is, from from okay. Inverse of sine is what? Inverse of sine, we can say it is a fourth one. Inverse of sine, it is a fourth trigonometrical ratio, that is called cosec. Cosecant theta. Shortly, we are writing as a cosec theta. Cosec theta. Cosec theta is inverse of this one, sin theta. That is sin theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, but it is hypotenuse by perpendicular. Hypotenuse by perpendicular. Okay, hypotenuse by perpendicular. And the fifth one is inverse of cosine theta or cos theta. Inverse of cosine theta or cos theta, that is secant theta. Secant theta, shortly we are writing as a sec theta, equal to inverse of this cosine theta. What is cosine theta? Base by hypotenuse, but it is hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base. Okay. And last one is trigonometrical, that is tangent inverse is, it is called cotangent theta. It is called cotangent theta. Cotangent theta. Shortly, it is writing as a cot theta. It is a inverse of tangent theta. Tangent theta is base by, sorry, perpendicular by base. It is base by perpendicular. It is base by perpendicular. Okay, it is base by perpendicular. So these are the basic terms, or we can say basic of trigonometry. We can say these are the basic of trigonometry. It is the beginning of trigonometry. This you must remember forever until your education is completed. Okay, if you go to science stream, okay, otherwise somewhere they may not be using, but in science stream or engineering stream, it is, these are the very important. It is a beginning of the trigonometry. Remember it. Okay, and after that, relations among these, one more topic is there. We can give some relations here. So right here, relations, we can write here relations of trigonometrical ratios. Relations of trigonometrical ratios. Relations of t ratios. I am writing shortly t ratios. Okay, relations of t ratios. What is relation? I said here, no, this is sin theta. Inverse of that one is cosec theta, and cos theta, inverse of that one is secant theta, sec theta, and tan theta, inverse of tan theta is cot theta. So here you can write it. And now one more important term, that is relation is there. Shall I write all? Okay, I will write here. Okay, sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta, and in another way also we can write cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, and second one, cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, or this also we can write sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, and the third one, tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta, or we can write this is a cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta. And one more is, that is fourth one is the relation, that is tan theta equal to, we can write in other term, that is sin theta by cos theta, or we can write cot theta equal to inverse of that one is cos theta by sin theta. So these are the very important relations you must remember. These are useful in simplification of the sums. Okay, problems, in simplifications of the sums, wherever they are need, no, I'll once more remind them. Okay, so these are the basic trigonometrical ratios. You must be perfect in all these. Okay, the beginning of trigonometry. Okay, thank you. We can continue in next video.